Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Gap Factory try-on haul. Every once in a while I like to hop on Gap Factory and actually look for my kids. They have some really great kid deals on like PJs and clothing and some really great coats, so I always hop on there for them. And I had to wander over to the women's section and check it out. They had some really great winter, like holiday new arrivals. I have some like holiday wear, a couple things, some comfy stuff, some cute little sweaters that I found, so I thought I would share with you guys. Everything will be linked down below in the description box, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first up from Gap Factory is this crew neck comfy sweater. This is actually one of their cash, it's like the cash soft line. Regular Gap has this line, and I saw Gap Factory had it in this really cute, just crew neck plain sweater. It's so soft, so cozy. I love the detailings on it. I love this color. I'm really loving this color for fall, this like Merlot burgundy color. This one has some like ribbing right here, like some wide ribbing, and then it also has a wide ribbing kind of band at the bottom, but it's very loose, very oversized. The sleeves are a little bit long on it, but you can easily like roll up the sleeves and kind of scrunch them up, but very, very soft, very cozy. Size wise, I did go with a regular size small. I maybe could have sized down one for like less of an oversized fit, but I love oversized sweaters. I actually got this one in another color too, which I'll share. Next up from Gap Factory are these satin trouser pants. I thought they were so cute, especially coming up for the holiday season. If you need something for work or a work party or just a holiday party in general and you don't want to wear a dress, these are perfect for that. You can throw it on with a comfy sweater and it's very comfortable, but yet very dressy looking. So I love this color too. It does have the little pleats here. It has belt loops, so if you needed, I think actually belting it would be so cute with like a chunky belt. It has pockets. Size wise, I went with a 2 petite. I actually feel like I could have done a regular in these if they were a little bit longer, especially if I wore like a heeled boot or just a heel in general. I would want that extra length. They are more of a wide leg. The satin on them is actually a little bit thicker. It's not super thin and like cheap feeling. It's actually a nice, I feel like quality pant. For a pant, you don't want it to be super thin and like clinging on to those spots that you don't want to be clung onto. So I love them. They're so, so cute, fun for the holiday season. I love the color too. I just feel like this would go with so much. The other color I got in that cash soft crew neck sweater is this oatmeal color. I just thought it was such a pretty neutral. I had to grab it. It is a size small as well. I just love the chunky ribbing on it. Super, super cute around the neckline too. It's very, very soft. And then I got these pull-on kind of drawstring denim. I've been seeing so many denim brands, like high-end ones, do these, and I don't really want to spend the money. I don't know, like, I know it's a little bit more of a trend, something that I probably wouldn't wear very often, so I saw these on Gap Factory for a great price and I was like, I'm trying them. They're so fine. However, I think I needed to size down, so I got a size regular small in them. I feel like I could have done the extra small maybe. They're a super wide leg denim. They do have a denim feel, but they're on the thinner side and the softer side, which I actually prefer for something super, super wide. You don't want something really stiff. But then it has the elastic waistband with the drawstring. How comfortable. It has pockets here. I'm actually surprised with the length too. I thought for sure I would get it because it's a regular pant and it would be a little too long for me, but it's not too bad, especially if I wear like a heeled boot or a heel or something. I feel like it would be perfect, but even with flats I can get away with it. I actually really like this really light wash as well. They are just so comfortable, so highly suggest them. Maybe size down one. I'll have them linked. They're so good. Also grabbed one more sweater. It is a Fair Isle turtleneck sweater. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. This cash soft line is a little bit on the thinner side compared to Gap. If you are someone who cannot do like a really thick sweater and you just sweat it out all the time, this is actually a really good option. It's super soft. It has that fuzzy warm feel, but it's not super heavy on. It's actually like lightweight and soft and cozy. It's really good. And I love the Fair Isle. I think this one's so pretty. It's like this really pretty camel, a little bit of gray, a little bit of black. I just love it. I thought it was so cute. Size-wise, I went with a size small. I'm not sure. I think it might come in a couple other color options as well. But I really loved the neutral palette. All right, next up I have 3 different coats. All are fuzzy and cozy. I just saw them and I was like, oh, those are so cute and great prices. So this one is like a mid-length one. It has the really pretty tortoise chunky buttons. I love the collar on it. The color, this like camel color is so pretty. It has pockets right here. I really fell in love with the length though. I feel like the length is a really good length to kind of bundle up with. I love it. I think it's so cute. It does have a satin lining on the inside, but it is nice and thick and warm, has tons of room. So I went with a size small in it, and I have tons of room to fit really thick, cozy sweaters underneath. So really, really love this one. I'll have it linked. Next Sherpa fuzzy coat is this kind of like moto Sherpa jacket. I saw it and was like, that is so stinking cute. It is fuzzy. It has this dark brown like faux leather trim all over, which I love. And then the Sherpa is actually like an off-white, like creamy color, which goes so good with the brown. I love it. I absolutely love this one. I think it's so stinking cute. I did go with a regular size small. Again, lots of room underneath to fit chunky sweaters. It does have a dark brown, like satin lining on the inside. It's a really nice weight, so stinking cute. I love this one. Last jacket here is this faux fur collared coat. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It is this dark brown faux fur. It is so soft, so like thick and fuzzy. I feel like they did this one really well, especially for the price. I just can't believe it. So it's kind of like a little bit on the shorter side, this really big thick collar around it. It does zip up. It's so cozy. The inside has the brown satin lining again. I just feel like this is a great, affordable option for those like holiday parties where you're like all dressed up, you have this really cute outfit, and then you're like, what do I wear on top? Like, this is such a really cute like holiday coat to throw on if you have some parties to go to, some events or whatever. I just feel like this is so pretty, and I love the dark brown. I think it comes in a couple other colors as well, so definitely check it out. Last up, I had to end on some comfy sweats. I love Gap sweats. The regular Gap has the best sweats ever. I am obsessed with them. Gap Factory also has some amazing sweats and really good like matching sets, which I live in. I love sweats. So these right here I saw, I was like, these are so cute. So this is a crew neck pullover sweatshirt, it has the fleecy in the side, and it's more of this like washed black color, not a true black. And I have regular Gap sweats, and like a crew neck top, and it's not quite as oversized. This one, it has definitely a little bit of a more relaxed oversized, a little bit longer fit too. This is a size small in it, and then the joggers are so comfortable. They're a high-rise elastic waistband cargo jogger. Oh, these are so good. Absolutely love these. I also got a small in these too. I probably could have sized down to an extra small, but the small works fine too. So I love these. This wash black option is so good. Comes in the sweatshirt on top, comes in quite a few colors. I think the cargo joggers come in only a couple of the colors. So I'll have them linked. You can check them out. I love their sweats. How many times can I say that? They're so good. That is it for my Gap Factory try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next one.